Hi, it's Mariah Anderson, and I'm presenting a self-introductory video about how my car represents a part of me. It represents a part of my ambitious nature. And how? Well, I was 18 years old when I bought my first car, a 1999 Honda Civic, and my entire family agreed that it was the one for me. It suited me, they could see me in it, and I took that with a massive amount of pride. Okay, because I was the first child out of my parents' 5 children to buy her first vehicle. And so my actions and my determination in the process of trying to acquire my car represents a part of my ambitious nature. And for a physical image, this is the license number tax thing that I had to pay for my baby, for my baby Caesar. But you wouldn't know without me telling you the type of stress and desperation I took in pursuing my goal for this. You can't see the hours of hard work I dedicated myself to, and I put the time in to accumulating enough money for this baby. You can't see the stress I took in trying to balance work and school. You can't see the desperation I had to make my parents proud of me. You won't see any of this without me telling you. But it is that desperation, motivation that propelled me into actually manifesting my goal into actuality. Manifesting my baby through hard work. Shoot, I was praying on that car. And that's a part of me represented by my car, a part of my ambitious nature that I just gave a warm welcome to.